Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add in grids and margins to your Canva project. So select the file button here, go to settings, and here there's going to be an add guide, show margins, etc, etc. For instance, you want to add guides, you can do that. You can customize the columns, the gaps, the margin, etc. There is this one and there's this one, and you also have this one. And I'm just going to select maybe the 3x3 grid, and I'm just going to select add guides. You can also unlock it here, and if you want to delete it, just go back to file, go to settings, and you're just going to deselect the show rulers and guides. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.